Track joints are prepared by setting spring pins in the lower channels of one of the track sections. Track sections are snapped up in place on the installed brackets. Using a specialized wrench, the black bracket cam is rotated 1/4 turn, locking the track to the ceiling bracket. At track joints, the spring pin tool is used to tap both pins along the channel until they span the joint, ensuring perfect alignment. Track brackets span all joints. Secondary cams are inserted, rotated, and locked in place on both sides of the joint, adding support and aiding alignment. When necessary, the track can be removed by unlocking the cams and sliding the bracket release tool in and under the bracket's wings.